BrainJuice Media. Fuel your mind.
Ever wondered what makes someone irresistible? Why do we feel drawn to certain people, while others seem to fade into the background? Science has the answers. Whether it's the way they talk, move, or the little things they do, attraction isn't random, it's calculated. And today, we're diving into the science of attraction and how you can use these psychological principles to make someone fall for you. Attraction may feel like magic, but it's really all about chemistry, literally and figuratively. Did you know that there's actually a formula for making someone more interested in you? From subtle body language tricks to tapping into powerful psychological principles, you can boost your attractiveness in ways you never imagined. Stick with me, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to turn those casual conversations into sparks of real connection. Let's start with the basics. First impressions. It only takes 7 seconds for someone to form an opinion of you, and those first few moments are crucial. What you wear, how you hold yourself, and even your energy all set the tone. So how can you make those 7 seconds count? Confidence is key. Stand tall, make eye contact, and smile. These simple actions signal that you're approachable and self-assured. 2 traits that are universally attractive. When you exude confidence, you become magnetic. People are drawn to those who appear comfortable in their own skin. Next up, mirroring. It's one of the most powerful psychological techniques you can use to build rapport without saying a word. When we subtly copy someone's body language, it creates a sense of familiarity and comfort, making them feel like you're on the same wavelength. Mirroring can be as simple as matching their posture or mirroring their tone of voice. It makes the other person feel understood and connected to you on a subconscious level. Ever notice that we tend to want what we can't have? It's called the scarcity principle. When something, or someone, seems a little out of reach, we're naturally more drawn to it. Don't always be available. By creating a sense of mystery, you become more intriguing. It triggers curiosity and makes the person you're interested in want to know more about you. Remember, attraction grows in the space between contact. Give them just enough to keep them interested, but don't lay all your cards on the table too soon. Next is one of the most fascinating principles of attraction, the halo effect. This is when we assume that someone who excels in one area must be good in others. For example, if someone finds you physically attractive, they're more likely to believe you're smart, funny, and kind, even before they really get to know you. Use your best qualities to your advantage. Whether it's your sense of humor, style, or intelligence, showcasing your strengths can make others see you in a more positive light overall. Here's something that often gets overlooked: vulnerability. While confidence is attractive, so is authenticity. Sharing a little bit about your fears, hopes, or personal experiences can create a deep emotional connection. Studies show that vulnerability fosters trust and makes you more relatable. But remember, balance is key. You don't need to spill your entire life story right away. Just sharing a personal experience or thought can go a long way. When you're real with someone, it opens the door for them to be real with you. And that's where true attraction starts. Let's talk about touch, one of the most powerful non-verbal signals of attraction. Light, appropriate touch can create a sense of closeness and warmth. Whether it's a gentle touch on the arm or a friendly hug, it can send a signal that you're interested. Touch releases oxytocin, also known as the bonding hormone, which fosters feelings of trust and affection. But remember to keep it subtle and natural. No one likes to feel uncomfortable or pressured. Here's an interesting psychological hack: the Ben Franklin effect. People are more likely to like you if they do you a small favor. It sounds counterintuitive, but when someone invests their time or energy in you, they unconsciously rationalize that they must like you. Ask for something simple, like advice or help with a minor task. It builds a subtle connection and makes the other person feel closer to you. Little favors can lead to bigger bonds, and before you know it, they'll feel more invested in you than they realize. Who doesn't love a good laugh? Humor is one of the fastest ways to break the ice and build a bond. It's scientifically proven that laughter releases endorphins, which make us feel happier and more connected to the people we're laughing with. When you make someone laugh, you're not just entertaining them, you're creating a moment of shared joy, which deepens your connection. Don't be afraid to be playful or self-deprecating. Humor shows confidence and helps break down walls, making it easier to connect on a deeper level. Now, one of the most important rules of attraction: timing. Attraction needs to build gradually. If you rush things, it can feel forced. If you go too slow, you risk losing their interest. The key is to pace things just right. Start slow, build anticipation, and let the attraction unfold naturally. This creates excitement and keeps the other person engaged. So, there you have it, the science behind attraction and how to use it to your advantage. From body language to emotional connection, these principles can help you create meaningful connections and spark real chemistry. Remember, attraction isn't about manipulating or pretending to be someone you're not. It's about understanding human nature and tapping into those subtle signals we all respond to. If you enjoyed this video and want more tips on love, dating, and psychology, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And hey, share this with someone who could use a little help in the attraction department. They'll thank you later.